Diving right into the first travel packing tip about a common problem you might face: how many clothes to bring. Try out the 3-2-1 rule for a 7-day trip: 3 tops, 2 bottoms, and 1 outerwear. If you're going away for a longer period of time of about 2 weeks or more, just double up numbers, so bring about 6 tops, 4 bottoms, and 2 outerwear. When planning outfits, always opt for colors that are easy to mix and match with, such as blacks, white, or neutrals. Opt for wrinkle-free materials when packing too. If you need outfit planning ideas, here are some to consider. Need more ideas? You can simply Google travel capsule wardrobe for various seasons for more ideas. Next, to save you from washing a little less laundry when you're back, opt for disposable undergarments instead. These cotton undergarments are still comfy, and the best part is, after you wear them for a day, you discard them. This way, no smelly laundry. And best of all, it frees up your luggage space. Here's what you've been waiting for: a free downloadable travel checklist for both summer and winter season that's also interactive, so you can tick off its check boxes as you pack along with it. You can head onto this link as shown. Tag us on Instagram at style_degree if you found it useful. Moving on, use travel packing cubes and luggage organizers to help you stay organized while packing and during your trip. With dedicated organizers for different items such as for clothes, socks, underwear, toiletries, and chargers and wires, it allows you to access your things without rummaging through. Need some help on how to fold winter clothes such as turtlenecks or trench coats for packing? Click on the info card above to watch our easy tutorial. If you're packing bulky winter jackets for a cold destination, use vacuum sealing bags to save space in your luggage. The pump sucks out air and compresses items so flat you wouldn't think it was initially bulky. An extra tip is to also bring a couple of extra vacuum sealing bags along with you when you travel, so that you can pack your shopping and souvenirs in them too. Remember to always pack along some medication in case of an emergency. Consider the length of your trip, destination, your personal medical condition, and plan activities. Pack them in a personal first aid kit so that you know where to grab them when you need them immediately. Here are some of the things you could consider bringing for a travel first aid kit. Lastly, keep all your important documents and valuables in one safe pouch like this one for a peace of mind. Choose one that has multiple slots for you to organize things such as your passport, credit cards, travel insurance documents, plane tickets, and even your foreign currency. Which is your favorite travel packing tip? Let us know in the comments. Wishing you safe travels!